Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Usually, once you open the application, you should see the home screen, this page. And if you see it, tap on the device icon to open the device page. And here you should see your Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. Now, under the picture of your watch, there should be watch faces category. Tap on the arrow right here to open the watch face store. Come on. Okay. And here we have the list of categories and watch faces we can basically download on our watch. So browse through this, find the watch face you would like to download, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on sync. It's gonna start downloading and installing on your watch. Okay, and once it's done installing, as you can see, it will be applied on your watch. And you can install multiple watch faces if you like to. And they will be applied. And if you want to see which watch faces are installed on your watch, in the watch face store you have this mine category at the top. You can tap on it, and here we have the list of watch faces installed, and we can switch between them by simply tapping on the watch face. And if you want to, you can also remove the watch faces. So if you tap on this delete button right here above the list of the watch faces, then select the watch face you want to remove. You can select one or multiple, of course. Tap on delete, tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed from your watch. And of course, once you're done installing and removing the watch faces, you can close the Zepp application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.